dark signal on, a very small signal. Okay, but yes, San Diego 2-3, radio 2-3 also. Okay, is not very, very strong. Okay, that's a 13 Echo Tango 108 QDH near Cologne City. Again, please your call sign. I think it's Lima Victor 004. QSO?
No, negative. Thank you very much for your information. I am not from Scandinavia. I am from Poland, 161 division, /26, Florida 004. And I am on handheld radio. And one whiskey and antenna, it's 54 centimeters long. 54 centimeters long. It's Albrecht Alpha Echo 2990.
Albrecht American Echo 201 Sugar also I have, but in the moment running the Superstar 9900, okay? In the top 55 in the top, okay? You are from Poland, 161, question mark, okay? The name is Wolf, Washington, Ontario, Lima, Foxtrot. The operator name is Wolf and the QDH near Cologne City, okay? Dzień dobry. Yeah, okay, sorry, I don't pick up the personal name, but I got another call sign, sorry, okay? 161/26FF004. Yeah, the beautiful signal was a handheld radio. The problem is, the most stations don't listen for small signals. That's the problem, okay? I'm making also contact with the handheld radio to Scandinavia. I was 57, then Corsica, give me 59 with the original antenna. You know the small 30 centimeter antenna from the handheld radio, and I'm pushing 3 watts on sealed sideband, okay? And you got my name, but please tell me again your name.
Okay, Wolf, it's not a problem. My name is Jarek, Juliet Alpha Radio Echo Kilo. Juliet Alpha Radio Echo Kilo. And I'm making now a little small video, and you can see probably about a couple weeks time on my YouTube channel. This is antenna. My antenna is 54 centimeters long. 54 centimeters long, and just one whiskey because it's just on batteries, which means it's I think 1 or 3 whiskeys, something like that. Wolf, back to you.
Fine to making QSO was a portable radio with a handheld radio. Yes, in my mind I'm building also a small antenna. Okay, and yes, for put it in a tree, okay, I will have a second one. Yes, the original antenna, it's terrible. Not usable really, okay. So that's the problem. Okay, the radio receiving very good, transmitting very good. The problem is a small antenna. Yes, you got another one, the second one, okay, and I bring a much more better signal like the original, I think 30 centimeter stick. That's not normally Jarek QSO. Yeah, okay, Jarek, yeah, that's a beautiful place for the Xing with a handheld radio. It's a good place, okay?
Right.
Okay, that's beautiful, Jarek, okay? Yes, I'm talking also from time to time, we're calling from time to time, but when you have a lot of QR Mexico, and no one will like to pick up a station in the noise. That's a problem. I listen to every station, and I ask it 3-4 times, what is the location, okay? Another one, signal, not readable and not necessary, but my mind, I think to contact all stations, okay? Yes, you got the bad modulation, I talk to you, I say, oh, the modulation is bad, but I make the conservation, and I think 80% don't make a contact, okay? They need a good modulation, big signal, and that is readable for them, but not for me. I listen to all stations, Jarek. QSO?